Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Hospital graveyard shift. Part 2. The young woman was off for a couple of days, then she went back to work the graveyard shift again. She was sitting with her back turned, watching a Lifetime movie when she heard footsteps behind her. She thought it was Phipps, her co-worker, so she said, "Philip, what you doing around here? Go back to the emergency." She still heard the footsteps, but nobody answered her. She turned around to ask him if he heard her talking to him, but when she turned around, there was nobody there. She checked everywhere, but there was still nobody there. There was nowhere else to walk back, unless you walk by her door. Once you come in from the other side, you can't go back through without her seeing you. She too idiot. She said, "What the hell is this tonight again, man?" This all happened at around 12 in the morning, but she continued on with her shift anyway. At around 3 in the morning, she didn't patrol. She was too scared. Her co-worker was there dozing off when she heard a feeble voice calling for security. She looked up and it was like a dream, but it wasn't. She looked and saw a woman in a white and floral nightgown. She said that she couldn't find her room. The young lady asked her name and what room she was in. She replied, "Joyce Smith." The young woman got up and said, "Okay, I'll help you." She didn't think the woman was a Duppy. She went on the old people ward and asked the nurse which room Joyce Smith was in. They looked confused and kept looking at each other. She told them that it was a little old lady with long white hair. They checked their schedule and asked her again if she was sure. The young woman said yes. She came and told me that she can't find her room. They looked at her with a worried look on their faces and said, "Joyce Smith passed on 2 weeks ago from kidney disease." The young woman's legs got weak. The nurses asked her if she was okay, but she was silent.
See Part 3.